Yo, what's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy HB3, one time in the building. Coming to y'all with this video, I'm going to be giving y'all a few tips on how you can correct some things when it comes to wearing do-rags and using products and stuff like that. Stay tuned. Ooh, I'm rusty, man. Oh my goodness. It is a blessing to be back here with all of you on my YouTube channel, man. Before we get started, I do want to say quickly, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you can, please. And of course, also make sure that you like the video, share the video, do whatever you can, and also comment, because I like to hear y'all feedback and see what y'all think about what we be talking about here on YouTube. But today is strictly going to be about waves. That's solely it. So here's the quick tip that I want to talk to y'all about right quick. Basically, when you are putting on your do-rags and you're putting product in your hair and then you're brushing and then you're ragging up and things like that, contrary to belief, yes, you actually are removing some of the product from your hair when you have do-rags on your head. Now stay with me, please. Just hear me out, because I know everyone's gonna be like, what you talking about, Willis? What you talking about? So think about this. When you put product in, whether it's oil, a hard product, grease or moisturizer, whatever it is that you're putting in your head, when you're putting a do-rag on, whether it's polyester, whether it is a silk or satin, it don't matter what it is, especially on a fresh haircut, you're technically removing the product from your hair, because that product is going to pretty much get all over the do-rag. So what you really want to do is make sure you're always moisturizing throughout the day when you're not in a do-rag. Typically for myself, I'm in a do-rag probably about 9+ hours a day, and that's going to be majority, of course, when I'm asleep. When you take the do-rag off and start brushing, you will notice that a lot of times your hair will be dry. So you're brushing your hair that's just got a fresh cut, and you're brushing that low haircut with a dry scalp, because all the product has been soaked up, by the do-rag. So tip on that matter is, as soon as you unrag, make sure you put product in your hair before you actually brush your hair. I would say drop some oil inside of your hair, so maybe in your crown, the top, the sides, the back, and go from there, and then you can brush. Also, I know this is crazy too, but just hear me out again. When you are taking a shower and you're putting whatever soap and to wash down your body and things like that, when you're washing the back of your neck, a lot of times we wash the back of our neck with a rag or things like that, and we kind of scrub back there. We scrub it back there behind our neck. If you don't have a fade or anything, your waves are pretty much going down on the back. So when you're doing that, that soap is pretty much drying that area of where your hair is at, right above your neck. See, this is the stuff that nobody really thinks about. No one thinks about this stuff, and it's very vital that you think about it and you do it. So with that being said, when you get out of the shower, just go ahead and put some moisturizer or oil, whatever, in the back of your hair, just to make sure that you're good and it's not dry back there. Also, another quick tip too about putting product in your hair and then using the do-rags and that pretty much soaking up the moisture from your hair is you want to have thinner do-rags. Wearing thinner do-rags will actually help a lot with your hair retaining the moisture from the products. So getting thinner do-rags, and I know that's something that a lot of people don't like to do because they love their hair to be laid, but trust me, it works, it helps. The less you have on your head, the longer that product is going to stay on your hair. So that's another tip too. So those were some quick tips that I just wanted to give y'all before we really got off into the video and made sure that you were good to go. And I'm sure y'all are probably wondering what my hair looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and unrag so y'all can see what I look like from the cut that I just did not too long ago, probably about a week or two ago when I got a cut. So I'll be honest with you, I like the cut, but here's the thing. I went down to a 1.5 and I cut a lot of progress out. Like, I mean progress out of my head. And I'm not too happy about it, but I needed to do this to reshift some areas that I need to reshift. I'm gonna have issues in the back. As you can see, I'm gonna have issues with the right side. That's the right side. My top, I'm gonna have to fix the little area right here on my top, of course. And then my left side, not too much any issues with the left side. That's always been my strong side. So I'm gonna be able to work on that. But to be honest, I'm gonna take y'all on this journey. Y'all gonna be on this journey with me this whole time of me brushing, because I am back brushing, yes. But nonetheless, man, thank y'all for coming to this quick video. I just wanted to show y'all a little bit of the progress from the cut. Also, just give you a quick tip. That's pretty much it. Stay tuned for another video sometime this week. Probably gonna be doing a video over the car. I'm gonna show y'all some things on the car that I've tripped out. It's your boy, HB. 3 out of here.